Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G31, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your lock screen PIN code. So if you don't have features like fingerprint or face recognition scanner set up on your device, so if you didn't add your face or your fingerprints to your device and you cannot access it these ways too, then first of all make sure that you're trying to access your device using your security PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, as these two are oftenly mistaken for each other. So make sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code for your device, and in case it's still not working for you and you are sure that you cannot remember that PIN code that you used last time on your phone, then the right decision would be to contact Motorola Customer Support service. Just tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, for example by showing them the receipt from the store where you bought this phone, and then after they see it, they will be able to let you regain access to your device without removing any personal data. They will guide you through some further troubleshooting steps, and after that you will be able to use your device once again. But if this option is not available for you, then you have to perform a factory reset operation on your phone. You can do this both locally and remotely. If you have a Google account set up on your device, you can do this remotely very easily by entering a web browser on any other device that you have, then going to your search engine and searching for Find Hub service. Enter it, sign into your Google account that is connected with this smartphone on this website. Then select this smartphone from the list and select Factory Reset. In this way you will erase all your settings and will restore the factory state of your device, and then you'll be able to set it up as a new smartphone. Of course, it will remove all data from your smartphone, but it's still a legit way to unlock your phone. Alternatively, you can perform a factory reset operation using recovery mode on your device, and if you don't know how to perform factory reset using recovery mode on the smartphone, you can check the video on our channel titled How to Perform Factory or Hard Reset on your Motorola Moto G31 through recovery mode, and just do what we showed. And this way you will also perform a factory reset operation quickly and easily. Now I'm gonna show you what to do in case if you do remember your device's PIN code. It's just that your phone doesn't accept it, which is also a very common occurrence, especially if you have a lot of different third-party applications. Some of them may affect the way the lock screen behaves. In such case, what you'll have to do is enter the safe mode, which you can do by holding down the power button until you see this menu on your screen. Hold down the power off option and then select OK, and wait until your device is restarted into the safe mode, and there will be able to safely enter the PIN code, and if it's correct your phone will accept it and you'll be able to remove it. So right now let's wait until the safe mode, until the phone boots into the safe mode. When your device is in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Enter your PIN code, and if it's correct, your phone will accept it this time. Now what you have to do is go to Settings, Application, open it, then select Security, then select Screen Lock, enter your PIN code once again, then select None, delete. And after that, to regain access to your smartphone, you'll just have to press and hold the power button once again, select Restart, and wait until your device is restarted. And then it will no longer require a PIN code to sign in. Therefore, you can use your phone just as you usually did. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.